All right. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Firstly, let me tell you, in fact, let me just pause this one thing here. Just to confirm, I've been locked out of my older group. In fact, my older Telegram account, I've been locked out of that. And I've then created a new one. As you can see, this is the new one. So if you want to actually join the new group, just click on this link here. It will just send you straight to my new group. Yeah. So I was only able to send this message to you guys because, as you can see, I disallowed messages on this group. So I'm only sending through the Profit Robots bots. So I sent you a message just to let you know that there's a change of groups. But I can see most of you are already coming in on this group, this new group, and that's good, right? I have something very exciting for you, right? But firstly, let me tell you about this new script here. This new script is very good. Like it's what I wanted to do with this is just to make you guys see on a glance whether this script is going to be working for you or not. And luckily for you guys, this is free. It's not, I'm not charging for the script. I do have a script that is paid, but you can also use this just to see some of what you'll be getting when you buy my other script, right? But this is a free script. I've added these beautiful win-loss signals here, just so you can see at a glance whether the trade won or lost, right? As you can see, this one lost, right? I was supposed to buy here, and then it lost. But obviously, the market was just moving in a very funny way. Same thing here. This one lost. Okay, this one won. This one won as well. So yeah, you can see how it works. You can actually play around with, let me show you. You can play around with the settings here, just the expiry to see which expiry works for the market that you are working, you want to trade. Maybe a different time frame, maybe, right? So you can just play around to see, okay, what if I'm using like 5 minutes, like maybe 5 candles for an expiry. Okay, this one lost after 5 candles, as you can see, but initially on the 15th, they both won. So that's what you'll do to play around with this. And then lastly, my other, okay, so this will be free. You'll just download it on my Telegram, on my new group here on Telegram, right? I'll send, leave the link on the video description. So yeah, you can download this on my new group. And then lastly, I'm also for my paid script, right? The paid script is $250 or just $69 a month. 250 if you're buying it once off, right? But here's something I'm doing which is going to be exciting, right? Let me just run this. So this is PyCharm, right? What I use to write my Python code. Let me just run this. It's called Bond Trader Robot. Let me just run this. So look here, the balance is 12,000 something, right? Uh, let me just run this now and let's read what's going to happen here. All right, so I'm running it now. You'll see it will execute trades on its own here. It should trade. Okay, I'm only trading one currency. Which symbol is that? I think it's Euro USD. Let's see. Yes, it's Euro USD. So it should execute the Euro USD trade. Okay, it's saying now that so I should see a trade currently here. Okay, there we go. Here's a trade. It's already running. Yes, that's it. So it has executed a sell trade here. As you can see, it was a sell trade with $50. Yes, so this is just an example, guys. It's not from the signal itself, right? It's just an example to show you what I'm doing. So this will actually trade for you now, right? It's no longer just a script that's gonna show you signals like these. But when it gets a signal, it would actually execute the trade on its own, right? So I think look out for that, right? So yes, the new balance is now 12,243, and that's exactly the balance. It was initially 12,293. So yes, those are the three things I wanted to pass. Yes, look out for my next video. I'll be also uploading another one soon.